Once upon a time, there was a dog who lived with his mistress. His name was Tricky, and his mistress' name was Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey gave too much love and care to Tricky. Because of this, Tricky was a looking like a bloated sausage with rheumy eyes. One day, Mrs. Pumphrey went to on a walk with Tricky. Then Mr. Harriot saw them. When Mr. Harriot saw the Tricky, then he understood that after some days, Tricky will get sick. After some days, called Mrs. Pumphrey called Mr. Harriot and said to Mr. Harriot, Mr. Harriot, Tricky did not eat anything before some days. Then Mr. Harriot went to his home and checked the Tricky. He understood that Tricky have a normal acidity, but he said to Mrs. Pumphrey, Tricky have a critical disease. We will have to admit Tricky. Then Mr. Harriot went to his clinic with Tricky. When he entered in his clinic, all the dogs that lived in the clinic came and he analyzed the Tricky. Then he understood that Tricky was a boring creature. Then nobody want to play with Tricky. Uh, Firstly, after some days, Mr. Harriot, uh, t- Mr. Harriot gave to Tricky only one bowl of plenty water. After some days, Mr. Harriot gave him a bowl of food. When he gave him a bowl of food, then all dogs came and eat the food quickly. Then Tricky understood that if he want to eat food, so he will fight for food. Then after some days, Tricky will able to run and fight. And Mr. Pumphrey also sent one dozen of egg, a brandy and whiskey. But Mr. Harriot didn't give anything to Tricky. Mr. Harriot and his whole staff eat eggs in breakfast, drunk wine in the evening, and drunk brandy in the night with enjoyment. After some days, Tricky was looking like a muscular dog and looking healthy. Then, after some days, Mrs. Pumphrey called Mr. Harriot and asked to Mr. Harriot, did Tricky now recover totally? Then Mr. Harriot said to the Mrs. Pumphrey, now Tricky was recovered properly. You can come and take Tricky to my clinic. Then Mrs. Pumphrey came in a long shiny car and take Tricky. He said to thanks to Mr. Harriot. Moral of the story: too much love and care can prove dangerous for you and others. Too much love and care